So this app will be used by officers when they're talking to people. If they can't identify who that person is, or the person won't tell them who they are, they'll take a quick photograph of the person they're talking to. That'll match against our database of images, and it'll quickly confirm to that officer who that person is.
There are several benefits of OIFR. First of all, it's a tool to protect the most vulnerable out in our community, and it's also ensuring that the community has confidence in it. But what it really does, it allows for that fast-time identification of an individual to ensure that they are either safeguarded or dealt with appropriately, and it can also avoid taking them to a police station, so it's got several benefits.
So this application is 100% reliable. We've tested this nationally, independently, and always brings back positive results. There's no bias for race, sex or gender. It's always used proportionately, it's always lawful, it's always ethically, and it's always there to keep communities safe.
So the police will not retain the photograph that is taken on the app. Once that image has been utilised and it's searched against, they will be immediately deleted.
It'll never be used instead of traditional policing methods. What we always want is police officers to talk to people in the first instance. That's always the best way to confirm who somebody is.
So in the case of a deceased person, OIFR can be utilised, that image can be taken, and what it really allows us to do is to identify promptly who that individual is, and it allows us to engage with the family with care and compassion to ensure that we are updating them rather than them finding out from a third party or from a social media site. And it also allows us to start our fast-time investigations if there is a crime, so it really is an excellent tool.